Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this good old brown smoky makeup look. But the best part is I'm using all the products which are under 500 rupees. Also everything that I'm using today are the products I really stand by and I love them so much. I feel like if you're a beginner or even if you're someone who is looking for some good quality inexpensive makeup, I feel this video might help you. So yeah, if you want to know how to get this look using some affordable makeup, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start by moisturizing my face. I am using the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. I really like this moisturizer, especially in summers because it's so lightweight. It absorbs into your skin very quickly. So to prime my skin, I am using the Nykaa's Prep Me Up Face Primer. It is one of the best affordable primers I have ever used. It's a silicone based primer and it does a great job of blurring your skin out. Very good for beginners. Okay, so for my face, I'm not actually using foundation today. Instead, I'm using this CC cream by Lakme. It's in the shade Bronze. I'm just using it to even my skin tone out. It gives you like a sheer to medium coverage. But I really like the finish of this cream. Like, it makes my skin look so healthy and nice. I just love it. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some concealer. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. It's in the shade medium. It gives you sort of like a medium coverage. So if you are somebody who likes no makeup look and you just need little bit of coverage, then this is going to be great for you. It is an amazing everyday concealer. For my brows, I am using this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. Now I absolutely adore this product. I have been using it for a couple of years now and this is my absolute favorite. To be honest, I have tried so many different brow products but I always gravitate back to this one. It comes with a small brush which also has a spoolie to it. The brush is actually decent enough to apply the product and it also comes with a small mirror and tiny tweezers which are pretty good. I have been using them a lot lately during this lockdown. So yeah, you get so many things in one product plus it's fairly priced, so what's not to like about it? Okay, to set my face, I am using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder. It's in the shade Silky Beige. I really like to use it over my T-zone because I tend to get oily over there. I also like to set my concealer with it so that it won't crease. Using some concealer, I'm going to prep my eyes. For my eyes, I'm taking the Wet n Wild My Glamour Squad palette and I'm taking this shade right here into my crease. Using a fluffy brush, I'm really softly defining my crease with it. Next up, I'm taking this shade right here and defining my crease a little bit more. By the way, I'm using a smaller brush to do this. Next, I'm taking this darkish shade to darken the whole thing using the same brush. Again, I'm going back into that fluffy brush and I'm blending everything in so there are no sharp edges. I know it looks really bad right now, but trust me, I'm going to cut my crease and make everything better. Going back into that same Fit Me concealer, I'm really going to clean up my lid. I'm going to create a cut crease effect, but I'm not taking it all the way till the end. I'm doing sort of like a halfway cut crease. Now I'm taking that shimmery champagne shade and I'm packing it close to my inner corner. Using a bit of that gold shade, I'm going to create a transition effect. I'm packing it very close to that champagne shade. Now I'm blending everything out so that it looks nice and seamless. Again, I'm going back into that darkish shade and I'm focusing it onto my outer corner, and I'm also dragging it under my lower lash line just to intensify that whole smoky effect. So next up, I applied some mascara to my top and bottom lashes. I am using the Maybelline's Hyper Curl Mascara. This is by far the best, cheapest mascara I have ever owned. It's so beautiful, it curls my lashes, it makes them look so natural yet volumized. I really love it. For falsies, I am using my Pack 53 lashes and I am using the Nykaa's Get Wing Liner to fill in the gaps. The lashes are, by the way, very natural looking and I love them so much. Now that my eyes are done, I'm going to go ahead and do rest of my face. I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. This is my favorite contouring palette of all the time. I have gone through so many of these. The darker shade is such a perfect contour shade for me. Also, I use a lighter shade so many times to set my under eye or just to set my face. Overall, it's one of the best drugstore contouring palette. Trust me, you won't regret this. For my blush, I am using this tint from Face Shop. I'm so sorry I forgot to film this. Generally, blushes are the first thing to fade off from your face, but these tints, they stay all day long. It looks so natural, it gives you that flush of color and makes you look more awake. And then to highlight my face, I am using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter. It's in the shade Precious Petals. I'm applying it on my nose, little bit on my cupid's bow, my chin, and of course on the top of my cheekbones. It is a beautiful rose gold shade. It gives you that very nice glow without being chunky or glittery whatsoever. It's a very natural looking everyday sort of highlight. It is so good for Indian skin tones. I am applying a little bit on my collarbone, basically everywhere where light hits my body. And then for my lips, I am going to use this Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick. It's in the shade Dawn Fawn. I recently tried out Sugar. I ordered a bunch of their lipsticks and I got 4 mini lipsticks free on Nykaa, and this one is actually one of them. That's why it's so mini. But I have to tell you, these lipsticks are extremely matte and hence they are extremely drying. So make sure you apply a ton of moisturizer on your lips. But again, the shades are so beautiful for Indian skin tones. I wanted some extra glow, so I applied some more highlighter. Also, I highlighted my inner corners because I always love doing that. So yeah, that completes this look. All the products that I have used today are my tried and trusted, and I highly recommend each and every one of them. This is something I would definitely recommend for someone who is starting out with makeup, or honestly anybody who wants to try out some affordable drugstore makeup. Hopefully that was a little bit helpful. Let me know in the comment section down below what are your favorite drugstore products, so that way we can help each other out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.